It's Dr. Bob with New Life Counseling Center, and I've got dating advice, whether you're married or single. For the married folks, my first bit of advice is date your spouse. I definitely see huge benefit in having a date night. Put it on your recurring calendar to dedicate the time to your partner. And during that time, I have a list of 4 questions that will help you a great deal to make some kind of a bond with your partner. These questions have been highly refined for many years and are designed specifically to bring you together. The first of the questions that the men ask the wife is, other than me, what made you feel the most loved this week? Why other than me? Because this isn't about us at all. It is the man saying to his woman, I am interested in you and I want to know you better. This doesn't have to do with me. It doesn't have to do with us. Give me an example from this week of something that just made you feel terrific. When she answers that question, men filter it through whatever mud men filter things through. And so there's a follow-up question that is, help me to understand why. Why was that the winner from this week? Think about it. If you do this weekly, a year from now, fellas, you've got 52 different examples of something that really touched your woman's heart. Well, that isn't knowledge. That's understanding. That's what you're looking for. Now, the question that the women ask the men is different because men and women are different. Women deal with this currency of love. Men, not so much. So ladies, this is where you gain an insight. You ask your man, other than me, give me an example of something that made you feel, ready? Respected this week. Respect isn't love. Don't get it confused. Now, fellas, this is your chance to really help your woman to understand what respect feels like. Come up with something where it isn't confused with love. I'll give you an example from my life. One time I was teaching a men's group, and this men's group went on for a while, and one guy said he was going to take me out back and kick my butt, okay? He actually said that twice. He's a New Yorker, what are you going to say? But by the time we were done with this men's group, this guy came up and gave me a bro hug, right? And he's like, this is the most meaningful men groups I've ever been to in my life. That was not love. That was honor. That was respect. So guys, here's your chance to give those examples. That's only question number 1. Question number 2, I long to be close to you. There's the motive. Now, the guy and the gal, both asking this of each other. I long to be close to you for each of the next 7 days, highly specific. What do you have planned and how can I be a more meaningful part of your life? Ha! This is the one that everybody goes, I don't know, same old, Monday through Friday, but this weekend, hey, let's plan something for Saturday. Okay, you completely missed the point. That is not it. No, take it slow. So this is Monday. What do you have going on today? And take your time. Go through what your day looks like and share that with your partner. This is how you bond. How can I be a more meaningful part of it? Could be that when you get to Saturday, there's nothing planned. Great, plan something. But it also is that I want to know what's going on in your world so that I can feel connected to you, so that I know how to pray for you or how to support you, or maybe there's something that I can do for you. Wow, your Tuesday sounds so big. Tell you what, let me pick up dinner. I got you, boo. That's what you're looking for with number 2. Opportunities to know each other and to connect with each other and be of service to each other. Question number 3 is the exact opposite of the question that is in our mind that gets us into stressful situations. Here it is. The preamble. I'm signing a blank check. I agree in advance. I will do one thing for you this week, so make it good. What can I do for you this week that would make you feel loved and or respected? Part of the beauty of this is narrowing it down. I'll tell you a quick story. I had a couple come to me years ago, and they had been through years of marriage counseling. The wife is a bit of a worrywart, and the husband has just had it up to here. Like every time he hears her voice, it's like, oh crap, what is undone now? Where have I missed the mark? Where have I not finished? In my office, we got together, and this wife had to answer this question. What's one thing that your husband can do for you this week that would be the most? And it was difficult. She had to think about it. It's like, just one thing? Yeah, just one thing. And her answer eventually came out, pray with me and the kids. Good, but we're not home yet. When? One time, only one time. When would you like your husband to pray with you and the kids? She's like, tonight. I said, great, good, better. What time? She said, 8 o'clock. I said, okay, there you go, sir. 8 p.m. tonight, pray with her and the kids. And that's it. And we're done for the whole week. Now we have discerned what's really going on. She had to come up with that kind of specificity. It was a revelation into what she actually needed that was behind all of the requests. Beautiful. 2 weeks later, they met in my office. She was the first to speak. She said, you're not going to believe it. Not only did he pray with me and the kids that night, but he's done it every night since. And I said, that is because he was successful. This is what honor looks like. This is what respect looks like to a man, is that when he did it, he now took on the status of success. He got on the other side of the request, and he felt so terrific about it that he voluntarily continued to do it, because success makes a man feel honorable, and he likes that feeling so much that he continued to do it. And I said to her, now, you have to ask this question again, but there's no guarantees he's going to continue praying with you and the kids. So now, what is the one thing that you want him to do this week? Make it good. Whatever it is, he's going to do it. And she smiled and she said, I want you to pray with me and the kids at 8 o'clock tonight. That concluded marriage counseling for this couple. That just solved it. Question number 4. Oh, there's definitely a question for the fellas, a question for the ladies. And what the women ask their man is, what can I do this coming week that would make you truly passionate about intimacy? Intimacy is a word with a definition, and it isn't sex. Intimacy is just feeling connected in every possible way. I see you, you see me, into me see is a way of defining what that word means. And so the ladies are asking their man, what would make you passionate about that? When it's the man's turn, the question he asks the woman is, what can I do this coming week that would make you truly passionate about sex? Sex and intimacy are two very different things, but boy, are they interrelated. And it's like you have a vicious cycle over here that is not very fun. You have a vicious cycle over here that's a whole lot of fun. Question number 4 is designed to get you on this one, but you have to answer the question. Don't get snarky, don't get negative, don't get critical. Answer the question. What is the thing that your partner could do that would actually fix that area of your life? These 4 questions are transformative. When it doesn't work, it's because people don't ask those questions. They go off on a rabbit trail and they begin talking about other things. Stick to the questions. Don't let it become an argument. It's not about us. It's not about the past. The questions are future-based. The questions are servant-based. And it's just that I want to understand better. Stick with that. Do it every single week. And over time, you're going to find this is actually the highlight of your week. For my former clients, I would love if you would share your success stories with that. And I know there's thousands of success stories, so don't be shy. Put them in the comments below. And please like and subscribe.